Hello paper artisans and fellow crafters. I'm Chandra with Stockton Stuffed, and I'm here this morning for the Poet Spice Stuff It collaboration. I love making boxes and bags. I follow 3 YouTube artisans that do fabulous tutorials in case you're interested. They are Posh Paper Lady, Poodles Paper Craft, and Sam at Mixed Up Crafts. And the bag I'm going to show you today was inspired by Sam. I'm working on a project with purse bags for a display for an award. And I'll do a video on that later as I get ready, because now the awards are going to be virtual, so I have to do a video anyway. Once I get the display done, I'll show you those. So I do have them here. I have made 14 little purses of various styles, some by hand, some with SVG files from both Cricut and Silhouette. But the bag I'm going to show you today is a big bag. I made it by hand. It was not an SVG file, and like I said, it was inspired by Sam. So let me tell you about the supplies I used. So I used 12 by 12 of this paper, which I have no idea what it is. I believe it came from a paper pad because it's white on the back, and usually paper pads are just one-sided. And this is all that I have left from making this purse. So I used it up. I used the Tonic mirror card in rose platinum, and let me say that the rose gold shiny cardstock is not the same color from different places, because I also have the rose gold from Michaels, and it's more orangey, whereas this has pink tone. So I use this one. I own them both because I felt like it matched the pink in this paper better. I used really, I think I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It was 29 cents, and it is that cloth ribbon that I love. I have it in a lot of colors, but this was beige and it was printed with rose gold. If you can see that, it just has some different print. It almost looks like a postage print or passport type of print, but I just loved it. And these I have no idea, but you see, I'm a big clearance shopper. So I buy it and think, oh, I'll probably use that later. So these are Rose Gold Sparklies from Jolie's Boutique. And again, I'm not sure where I got them from. So that's that. And I also use Tonic Craft Perfect Ballet Pink paper, but I have killed that paper pack. As you can see, I have used it on lots of things. It was a 12 by 12, but you know, they come with 5 sheets, so I've used it quite a bit. So here is my beauty for today's Stuff It challenge, and I probably need to back my camera up a little bit. So it is a huge purse bag. And there's the ballet pink on the side there. And you can see I used 2 pieces of the 12 by 12. And that's why I think it was a paper pad, because I don't have any more. So I'm thinking, you know, most paper pads have 2. I used the rose gold. I used the bling there. There is my ribbon, and these are little Avery. Avery has those little circles that you put like on notebook paper, and they sell them in metallic, so it was like a perfect color. And I used Velcro for the connection, and there you can see the inside I didn't finish this. I just used some tape to kind of hold it down, tie a knot, because for the display, nobody's going to open it. So if I do end up gifting this, I will make that cleaner. But it's a lot of space in there to put, if you wanted to gift something in it. And I just love how it came out. And I know it's so big, I hope you can see it. But I love metallics. I love them more than I love glitter, but I like glitter too. And I loved making this. It actually was pretty quick. It did not take me long. And, you know, we're talking about minimal products. So I thought it was a cute gift bag. And I know some people that would appreciate getting it if I had some gifts in there. All right. Thanks for watching the Stuff It collab for July with Poet Spice.